Next question. Azad Limited purchased business of Roop and Sons. The assets were rupees 6 lakhs and liabilities were 4,50,000. Okay, this is also a question of purchase of full business. तो देखो यदि assets है आपके 6 lakhs, this is just a working which we are doing. Assets is if 6 lakhs and liabilities are 4,50,000. What should be the purchase consideration? Ideally, it should be assets minus liability, that is 6 lakhs minus 4,50,000. 1,50,000 in a general situation should be paid by Azad Limited to Roop and Sons. Okay. Now let's see what the question is saying further. Azad Limited paid rupees 1 lakh. 1,50,000 देना चाहिए था. दिया कितना है? 1 lakh. Means 50,000 paid is less. As agreed value in form of 9% debentures issued at 20% discount. Pass necessary journal entries in books of Azad Limited. So first you decide that they had to pay 1,50,000 ideally. They have paid only 1 lakh, means 50,000 is less payment. What is this 50,000? देखो 50,000 से आजाद लिमिटेड को बेनिफिट हुआ है, उसको मिल गई है 50,000 से ज्यादा की चीज, पेइंग बाय लेस 50,000. सो दिस 50,000 विल गो टू कैपिटल रिजर्व. Earlier we had seen that when we pay more for the business than the purchase consideration, it goes to goodwill account, and when you pay less than the purchase consideration, that is buying company's benefit, and that will go to capital reserve account. So let's start the journal entries now. Take over the sundry assets and liabilities. So sundry assets account debit. Write the date, whatever may be given in the question. Sundry assets account debit. Assets were for 6 lakh rupees. So debit 6 lakh. Okay. Now take over the sundry liabilities also. Liabilities का बैलेंस कैसा होता है? क्रेडिट. तो क्रेडिट करेंगे to sundry liabilities. How much? 4,50,000 are your liabilities. ठीक है. Now what are you paying to the vendor? Azad Limited paid rupees 1 lakh as agreed value in form of debentures. So to रूप एंड सन्स, रूप एंड सन्स को हम देंगे. सो टू वेंडर, इन ब्रैकेट यू कैन राइट रूप एंड सन्स, what is agreed to pay? 1 lakh only. So the difference is nothing but capital reserve. So to capital reserve account, that is 50,000. That is your balancing figure also. Being business acquired from Roop and Sons. See, the name is given here, Roop and Sons. So write the narration. Being business acquired from Roop and Sons. Now our second part. अब करेंगे पेमेंट. सो वेंडर्स अकाउंट डेबिट, दैट इज रूप एंड सन्स अकाउंट डेबिट. हाउ मच वी नीड टू पे हिम? 1 lakh. जो ऊपर की एंट्री में आपने जो अमाउंट लिया है वो ही वापस लेना है. सो रूप एंड सन्स, दैट इज वेंडर्स अकाउंट डेबिट 1 lakh. Now, since there is discount, so first let's write the entry. Discount on issue of debentures account debit. Whatever will be the discount. 2. What are you giving the vendor? You are giving him 9% debentures. So, to 9% debentures account. So, let's calculate first what are the number of debentures which we actually need to pay Roop and Sons. Number of debentures is equal to purchase consideration upon nominal value of debenture minus discount. यदि प्रीमियम होता तो ऐड करते हैं, यदि डिस्काउंट होगा तो ऑब्वियसली लेस करेंगे. सो परचेज कंसिडरेशन, व्हाट इज द परचेज कंसिडरेशन? 1 lakh that is given to vendor. Purchase consideration is 1 lakh rupees and nominal value is 100 rupees of the debenture issued at discount of 20%. So subtract 20. So 1 lakh divided by 80, that comes up to 1250 debentures. So Roop and Sons account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to 9% debentures. So what will be the amount? See, 9% debentures, 1250 is the debentures. So 1250 debentures देंगे of face value 100, right? So the amount that will come in the outer column is 1,25,000. And now calculate the discount. 1250 is the debentures, and on each debenture the discount is 20%. So that is rupees 20. 100 की face value पे 20% comes to 20. So 1250 into 20, that comes up to 25,000. So now we will be writing the narration. Being 1250 debentures issued at discount, and take the totals now. 7,25,000 in the debit and same in the credit. Okay. So this is the case when the business is taken over and the amount paid is less than the purchase consideration should be. So that goes to capital reserve. And when we issued the debentures in consideration, how we find out number of debentures? When it is discount issued on debenture.